Now, instead of just displaying the details inside our detail page, we are going to get the details from the document. So at the bottom of the id.js, we are going to use the get static path and get static props. So first, we have to add the get static path. So for the get static path, it will get all the to-dos in the collections of to-dos, and then map all the IDs to the path, and then we set the fallback to be false. So it will prevent all other pages. And next, we will use the get static props, and these get static props will be executed when the page is loaded, and it will get the IDs from the context. And so after we have the ID, we will get that document, that specific document, from the to-dos collections. So after we have the documents, we are going to stringify the data from the snapshot and then pump into the components. So in order to get this in the components, we are going to the top, and then we pass the to-do props. We are going to pass the stringified JSON. So we use constant to-dos is equal to JSON.parse, and then we pass the to-do props here. And then after that, we are going to display the details. For example, we can type to-do.title, and then we have the to-do.detail. And now we can see we have this error because we haven't imported the get docs. So we go to import the get docs from the file store. So we go to here and copy this and then import from the Firebase file store. And I think it should be ready to go. So, and we save it. And we also have to import the get docs. And I think we should also import the dot. We have to import the collections. So we go to here and paste the collections. And then we also have to import the DB from the Firebase config. So we save it, and then we click on Sum to Do. Now we can see the title and also the details is displayed inside this page.